Hi guys, I'm Rajesh this side and today I will explain how to load multiple CSV files into the SQL Server tables. So basically in this demo I will cover these activities you can say. A store procedure I will cover, and next second is a get metadata, and third is for each loop container, and fourth is a data flow, and fifth it's a source, and sixth it's a sync. So basically in this demo I will cover 6 activity items. So what is the agenda? Basically we have a multiple CSV file inside uh, Azure Blob Storage, and those files I want to load into the SQL Server table. So before loading, first what I will do, I want to call a store procedure, and those store procedure will truncate or clear like a table, and once again they will start moving on CSV file data into the SQL tables. So let's get this started. So let me open the portals. So let me show you what our files are available in our like a storage. So my storage account is there. In this storage account I created a one container. It's an input file. I already created multiple CSV files. Simply I replicate it. So let me show you sample. So edit, and you can see basically 1 2 3 4 5, and let me select this one, edit, same, it's a 6 7, and if we click here we will get some different. It's 1 5. So basically what is the goal here? I want to load this record inside the SQL Server. So let me open a new window for Azure portal so that I will show you database instance detail. So I already created one virtual machine, and in virtual machine I installed SQL Server. So let me connect. So let me download the RDB file here to connect this. Okay. Don't ask. So it's admin 01 username password. Let me try this. And let me open SQL Server Management Studio. Let me open also data factories. I want to create a data factory first. Create, click on create. Okay, let me open here. So let's wait. So I'm creating a same RG01 I'm using Azure Data Factory ADF multiple CSV load into SQL. Okay, I don't want to configure Git. Let me skip this one. Proceed for the review and create. Validation pass. Let me click on create. Okay, I think maybe SSMS open. Okay, So basically in this server, it's node 1 is there. Okay, window authentication, you can try this. Or I already created a pipe, like I pick a pipe address, 4.240.80.40. So let me copy and try to log in. SQL authentication credentials. Remember this one. Let me disconnect this one. So basically I will use this credential to connect my database. So what is the target? I have one table, it's an employee table. Let me drop this table, I think it's not required. Select if anything is there. Okay, so you can see some records are there. Okay, it's record insert. Let me try to enter. Percent. This to okay, so basically let me truncate this table. Truncate table employee. So now we can see no records available table employee. So I already truncated records. So basically what is the target here? This file, I have a 3 CSV file and all data I want to insert into this table. So before insertion, before starting a process, what I want here, I want to clean this table. So for this, I already created one store procedure. It's a very simple, straightforward. So basically I'm truncating a table. So let me show you. So it's you can see it's one liner store procedure. It's procedure and USB truncate imply and only truncate statement I captured. So simply when the first step, what I will do, I will call this procedure and this procedure will truncate this table which I already imply. So let's try this one. Let me open. I think it's ready. So let me open. So you have to click open Azure Data Factory Studio. Just click here. Click here in author. So let me create a pipeline. New pipeline. Name. Node. Multiple CSV into SQL table. Okay. So basically this is my pipeline. So first step, what we have to do, I already explained. I will call a store procedure with our activity. A store procedure, I will call a store procedure and procedure will truncate table data. So let me search activities called store procedure, drag and drop here. Here I'm passing truncate table. Okay, setting link service. Let me create a new link service. Server name database is HRD authentication admin 0 username and password India. Okay, let's try to test. So it's successful. Let me create a link service. So it's created. Okay, which procedure I want to call? It's a ESP truncate. I already explained. And let me start the work. So it's in progress. Let me collapse this. It's in progress. So if we'll insert any data into this table, this activity will truncate our data. So 101 imply let me put 01 27 something department table. Okay. So let me try select this table. We got one record is there. And let me retry to execute this one. Okay. Succeed. Let me check your status. It's truncated. It means store procedure activity is working fine. Next step, what I want file list. Okay, so I have to take get metadata. This activity will capture all the like of child item detail in a blob storage. You have to select this one. Get files CSV files. Get file list. Okay, just next. Let me create a data set. So basically I want to point on Azure blob storage. Click here and then click here and it's a CSV DSR provided link service. Let me create a new blob storage. So let me select my subscription, then account, click on OK. Okay, and here I have to select container. Sorry. So basically I selected only container name. File directory is not required. Basically we have to capture all the files detail. Now we have to click OK. Okay. So in the array list you will get a details of the tables of the files. So let me execute and so it's mandatory column. Oh sorry, I missed something. So let me click here and inserting journal. This is inserting. You have to go select here. Okay, new field list. I have to click and here I have to all list item child item I want. Just click here. Okay, and now try to debug. So basically you will get a list of all the CSV files or inside all the items, child items. Let me refresh. So first let me see output of this one. So you got first file CSV, second EMP CSV, and EMP1 CSV. So basically 3 files inside our container. So we got all the list. Okay. So till now we are fine here. So let me pass this like an array list to for each container. So now we want here, okay, for each container. So basically I want to pass one by one file name. Let me correct this one. And basically what I did, I to pass this array list to for each. So for each, okay, for each files, let me put files. Settings. So sequentially I have to go, and here I have to dynamically pass all the array list. So basically it's a first it's a get file list. So child item I have to set because we want array list here to pass. So we have done. Okay, for next step, what we have to do, I want to edit this one, and we have to pass some data flow. So let me create one data flow separately to process our data. Or what we can do here, instead of data flow, we can directly use our data, click a copy. So that will also work. But let me proceed with the data flow. So we have to add a source. First we have to create one data set. So dynamically they will pass file name. So source on Azure Blob Storage. Let me select this CSV file, and I'm passing dynamic DS link service blob storage, and I have to select only container name. Okay, and so basically we have to pass file. So I want to create a parameter, is file name. Okay, in a schema, in connection I want to pass dynamic file. Okay, so it's done. Next step, I already created yes. So let me add source. In source, I want to select dynamic DS. Basically, I have to pass dynamically in source option. Okay, sorry, I forget to edit first row as a header. First row as a header. Okay, finally, we already passed. Come here. Okay. The source, what I did in the source setting, it's connection string is data set, and let me open this. Its file name is also there, parameter we already set it, file name. So till now we are good here. In data flow, Let me add a line here, sync target. Okay. And I have to select some. Yeah, let me create a new dataset for the SQL Server connection. SQL Server connection. New SQL Server. Yes. New service new. Have to pass server name. Database HRD. Username 01. Okay. But you still want to test it's correct or not. Correction, I can check it. In here, I want to select. In this table, I want to insert the data. Okay. So we are working till now. So let me populate once again data dynamic data set. Basically, I did already find it. So yes, give me this one. Skip I don't. And here, let me put first files. Yes, CSV. Okay. Now maybe the other. Okay. Everything is fine. Let me open Dataflow. The source option. Everything now fine is correct. And save. In auto mapping, let me select employee name and mapping with the other columns. Date of birth. So it's department email. It's last items. Okay, so I'm not done. So I think we are good here. Settings overhead, errors, mapping is also right. Everything is right till here. So let me check. So basically what we are doing. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to go. Let me open our data flow. We already did. We have to edit this one. Again data flow you have to pass here. So basically for each container we already pass variables. You can see here. So in this one we already pass our all the items. So let me add same information. Parameters file name they want. So dynamically we have to pass here. Child item dot name. So basically in this file one by one we'll get a file name. So I think I have done. Let me back to pipeline. So basically the request to procedure we already covered. Next, get metadata is also covered. And third, we can say for each. Inside for this, we call Dataflow. So in Dataflow tab, we call source and set both. So let me try to check if everything is fine or not. So I think it's validation pass. Let me debug. Okay. Let's check what is happening. Dataflow is debug, cluster is ready. Let me click debug once. In progress, truncate is in progress. Get metadata list is in progress. So basically we are getting list. So it's done. Let me check. The same data is we are getting next. For each loop in progress. Next data flow. It means insertion is also in progress. Let me refresh. Still in progress. First file data flow first time we are calling. Refresh once again. Oh, first data flow false. It means one table already processed. Let me check. What is? Yeah, it's done. So basically, in first CSV file, we get 4 record and 4 record already inserted here. Oh, second is also fast. So basically, first step data flow done. Second step also done. Let me refresh. Third steps is in progress. It's last final steps. In this last file is in progress. The last is also done. It's completion phase for now. So all completed successfully. You can say first truncate, then file lists and for each, then one by one data flow 3 times due to availability of 3 files. They executed and we can check. Now in this table, 3 already process. 3 CSV file process. So let me know if any query. Yeah, thanks for watching.